Hey there! Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed during exam season? What if I told you there are apps that can make studying easier, more efficient, and even fun? Today, I'm sharing 5 apps every student needs to ace their exams. These tools will help you stay organized, retain information better, and crush your exams. Let's dive in. First up, Notion. This all-in-one workspace is a game changer for staying organized. You can create to-do lists, track deadlines, take notes, and even build a study schedule, all in one place. Why it's awesome. It's super customizable, so you can tailor it to fit your needs. Plus, it syncs across all your devices, so you'll never lose track of your tasks. Next, meet Anki, the ultimate flashcard app. Anki uses spaced repetition to help you remember information long-term. You create flashcards, and the app shows them to you at optimal intervals to boost retention. Pro tip: you can download pre-made decks for subjects like medicine, languages, and more. It's like having a personal tutor in your pocket. Struggling with distractions? Forest is here to save the day. This app helps you stay focused by planting a virtual tree whenever you start a study session. If you leave the app to check social media, your tree dies. Over time, you can grow a whole forest, which is not only satisfying but also a great way to track your productivity. Plus, Forest partners with real tree planting organizations, so you're helping the planet while you study. Number 4 is Quizlet, a powerhouse for active recall and practice. You can create your own flashcards or use millions of pre-made sets. Quizlet also offers games, quizzes, and study modes to keep things engaging. Why it's a must-have. It's perfect for last-minute review sessions and works offline, so you can study anywhere, anytime. Last but not least, Google Calendar. This might seem basic, but it's a lifesaver for time management. Use it to block out study sessions, set reminders for deadlines, and even color code your subjects. Bonus tip: sync it with other apps like Notion or Forest to create a seamless productivity system. Staying on top of your schedule has never been easier, and there you have it. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on acing school and life. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right tools, you've got this. See you in the next video.